Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the Double Scoops paper collection. It's new from the Sweet Summer Celebration launching June of 2022 at Trinity Stamps. This is a 6x6 paper pad with 12 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design for a total of 24 pieces. This is designed to look like a close-up of ice cream. We've got some that looks like cake and sprinkles and ice cream cones, and even some pattern designs. You can see how fun these would be for all of your sweet treat creations, cards and scrapbook pages alike. I love the close-up look of ice cream on these papers, and I will show you some fun ways that you can use those for your card making. We have lots of different colors or flavors, including rainbow, and here's one that looks like a frosted cake with sprinkles. I love that we have patterns in these papers as well. And look at this delicious looking rainbow cake. Oh my word. It's such a fun paper pad for summer and for birthdays. I love it. Here's some that look like waffle cone, and then some with the like debossed look. This one looks more like a drink maybe, and then some that even look like maybe they could be popsicles. And these are going to be perfect with a lot of the dies released in this Sweet Summer collection as well. So now we've repeated, or these are the repeat pieces of the ones I just showed you. So you can see that you're going to get 2 of each. So if you can't decide which side to use, don't worry, you've got a second piece. Here's a sprinkle piece of paper I used to create a background for an A2 size card. And then I'm going to use this piece right here and the new ice cream cone die set to die cut out an ice cream scoop. I'm using the little layered popsicle die to die cut out this piece that I thought kind of looks like a watermelon popsicle. On the back side of that, there is this rainbow piece that I thought looked really good for a summer drink. Now this island cocktail Stampin' die set, as well as the other 2 dies I just showed you, are also part of this summer collection, and you can find them at the Trinity Stamp shop. This is the card I made using that sprinkle background. It is the perfect birthday card, so bright, so festive, and it even holds a little gift card. I am loving this new paper. I think it's so different from anything that I already have in my collection, and I cannot wait to make more yummy cards with it. Here are 2 more cards created by members of our design team so you can get a feel for how this paper is so fun with those new dies. I thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more inspiration, we have lots of videos on YouTube, and you can find us on Instagram and Facebook too. Thanks for watching. Bye.